Hey, this is Eddie. In this video, I wanna show you how to find winner product in Zendrop. I use Zendrop for 3 years in a row. Um, the, the website is amazing because you can find all kind of product. For example, if you are in the pet niche, only type right here pet, and it gonna appear different product to promote in the pet niche. For example, this product, the product costs $70 and you can promote easy. Let's continue finding more product. Let's see if you are in the niche of fitness. Right here, there are different products to promote. Let's scroll it down to find a winning product. This product right here costs $6 and you can promote on Facebook. Right here in this section, we change for ship from USA. And it gonna appear different product to promote in the USA. Let's find a winning product to promote and scroll it down. A product that grab my attention. This way, I can promote on Facebook. Right here in the number, you can click. It's gonna take you to the next step to find more product and scroll it down. There are products for phones, short. Here in the United States, we are in summertime. This short costs $83. Our shipping time is today. Add to my product. From here, you can change the description, variant, and from here, you got the profit. Let's keep finding more product. Supplement. Supplement. I like in the niche of fitness. Let's find good product to promote. This product right here. This product here costs $24.52. Average shipping time only 2 days. This product is very easy to promote. You can create ads and promote on TikTok, Facebook, Google, any kind of platform, and sell it in the same day. Also, let's see how much is the profit. This product costs $24 and you got in profit $67. It's very good profit to promote. Let's keep finding winner product. Let's find more product. For example, let's type in rings. Let's find a good ring to promote. There are different kind of ring to promote, as you can see on the screen right here. Number two, to keep finding more product. This product right here, this ring, costs only almost $6. The only disadvantage is average shipping time. It is 10 days. It's too long, almost 2 weeks. No, let's keep finding more product. Let's find pocket split. When you more than 5 days is too long. It's not it's not good product to promote. Minimum 2 days. That's it. Um, let's see. Keep with rings. Let's find good ring. This right here. Look, this product costs only $23. Average shipping time only 2 days. This is a good product to promote because only 2 days, no 10 days. No, no, no. Minimum 2 days. This way, the customer is going to feel satisfied with only 2 days. Imagine we must to put in their shoot 10 days. It's a long time. For example, let's keep finding more product. Okay, verify you are human. Okay, and again, the home page. Let's find another good product. For example, phone. Let's find a product to promote. Right here, this product only costs $1. Let's see. No, average shipping time 10 days is too long. It's not a good product. Like I said before, only maximum 2 days. That's it. This right here, no, it's not a good product. From here, ship from USA because the shipping time is short. Let's scroll it down to pick one winning product. Guys, bear with me because to find a winning product, we must be patient. This way, it takes time, but it won't be worth it. Let's find a good product. Let's keep going down. Let's find in the pet niche. Right here, loving pet. Let's see how much it costs. $16. Average shipping time today. I love pet. You can check the description from here. Variant. This product costs $16. You got in profit $50 in profit. That is a lot of money. Keep in mind, keep finding more product. Guys, this website is amazing because I use on the daily basis to pick product and to promote on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Google. You can you can have sales every day, every single day. Let's keep finding more product. This watch just grabbed my attention. This costs only $3. The only disadvantage is 10 days. It's too long. Always ship from USA. Let's type in watch. There are all kind of watches. Let's let's find a with a good price. Let's find with a good price. It's a little expensive. Let's find a good price. Because this costs a lot of money because this is good quality watch. For example, if you want to promote this on Facebook, obviously you can sell it, but you need a good strategy to market this product because this product costs almost $400. Average shipping time is only 3-5 days. Let's see how much it is profit. Look, I show you my screen. You promote this product that costs almost $400. You got in profit $800 with $26. That is a lot. You focus on this product and you market this product. You can sell this product on Facebook. You can create ads and promote. I like this product. I like the color. I like the style. Always ship from the USA. Let's keep finding more product. For example, this product by Amazon product. This product costs almost $2. On click right here. Look, average shipping time 2 days. This is a good product. Here there are more products to promote. As you can see on my screen, there are a lot of different products to promote. This amazing website. I like it. I like it. I like the blue because I'm a guy. This product costs $21.05. Average shipping time 2 days. I can create ads with this product and promote on Facebook. I can have sales on the daily basis. Add to my product. Look, this product costs $21. You get in profit $60. That is a lot of money. Keep in mind. One more time. Let's find more product. From here, one more time. always ship from the USA because the shipping time is short. One product more, one product more. There are a lot of amazing products. Okay, this cup. Average shipping time 2 days. This product costs only now in the USA. We are in summertime. It's very easy to market the product and sell it. This product costs $12. You got in profit $42. It's amazing. From here, you got the fulfill order. You got from here Zendrop AI, Zendrop Academic, training product, request product, branding, my template, catalog. I'm gonna wrap up the video right here, guys. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. Check that out because this platform is the best platform to find winning product. I show you how to find a winning product. Um, my name is Eddie. I hope you enjoy with this short video. Thanks for watching.